Hi, I'm Joachim and I race cars for 15 years. When I'm not drifting, I build and repair them too. Did you know that around 1 out of 7 cars on the road needs their shocks replaced? In my car, I use SACHS shocks. They're made with the same state-of-the-art technology that the pros use. They're hard-wearing and long-lasting. SACHS shocks are also #1 for European car park coverage, which shows in its OE reputation. These have also got the continuous damping control, which really makes my drive more dynamic, as well as safer, more comfortable drive with perfect grip and cornering. The SACHS shocks are designed with the thinnest possible walls apart from where the high loads are. This gives the car a guaranteed strength where it matters the most, but lighter weight for better performance. The SACHS shocks have a really long service life. Their high quality zinc plating protects them from corrosion, and due to their OE expertise, SACHS knows how to prolong the life of the shocks. Whether you're on the road or professionally drifting, SACHS has the perfect range to exceed your expectations. And remember, always fit in pairs.